Hello. So this is Kenji. Good evening, guys, and I am here to present my Module 7 project from database and in Java. Module 7 Database Connectivity Programming Project. So basically, for this module, I would say it was a very interesting one, time-consuming, but interesting to learn how SQL or my SQL can connect to Java. And at the beginning, I have to follow, of course, like the instruction from Professor Ashley Evans and this video tutorial where I got to create a database using command line. I was able to create, how to explain, like use command line, create username and password, which is sometimes by default is created, but also to connect with my database in Eclipse, which is what the software they use. And then from there, you watch the Ashley Evans professor's video to link to IntelliJ. We gotta install a plugin, which is this help database. This one, SQL helper, apologize. So this will allow to create the code for SQL from SQL to Java. So basically, let's start with the application. We gotta to alter the Java application from the video. So what I did first is I want to explain the purpose of the project. We are using database integration with Java. So we're going to use IntelliJ running Java. We'll integrate SQL and doing some features like delete, add, update, and then print an array and today and list. For this one, we gotta have, as mentioned, we gotta integrate the URL, so SQLite, where is the database storage at, and then we gotta print like the five, what is it, columns, same thing, and then we gotta add the SQL and desktop. The helper, this will be automatically created by the code generator. Once you put the database, it will everything automatically put it here. Very interesting. In the video, Professor Evans, she explained how the purpose of each of the methods: insert, delete, update, array list, and executed, and the default table mode. So we are going to use these methods in our program. So basically, what I am going to have, since the last time I ran the project have 1 to 11, like a database already here the last time I run it. What I want to do in this program is create the engineering students database. So in this data you will storage and you will select, so meaning this one will print what the information is in ascending order: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. And then this is the initial content, so this one will print the initial information. This function is, this method is declared here at the bottom. And then the first thing to do, according new rows to database, print message confirming no data was added. So here we're going to insert new information 21 22, so this is not added before. And then we go to print number 2, print database. So here we're going to update get exec results, so this was update, and here going to rows added, so it will print the 20 21 22. Then we gotta delete the rows, so we have already 1 and 2 here. We want to delete those, so that way you will then upload it here, and then, well, upload not like refresh the information, and then we are going to print in a default table model, meaning we're going to uh, in as a default table model. As a reference, what I did was for loop, and then since the column was not showing horizontally, was vertical, I tried to put one more for column to print the right side. So number 5 is search. uh, so what I did was create like a string department search. So basically select student from engineering students, that is department to search, so it will link to the specific IT. As far as I know, there should be one or two IT. So then print the result of the IT people group. Then update tree information. So right now, number, let's see, I'm updating 567. So this is music, workforce administrator, and then is magic penny, well, and marble. So it you change to Jeffy Jeff, Iron Fist, Spider-Man, and then it will print out the new list. And it will print out the new list saying information before. We're going to like a for loop twice to print horizontal. So I am going to roof this code and hopefully it works for you and I will explain as long with the code. So basically initial content. So I am here um, adding this is the initial content and then I am adding 21 and 22 which is this one, uh, two rows. Then what I did was erasing. It is a table after deletion, yeah, and then print. Yep. So after we ask for specific group, so IT is only filtering only IT, and then print it out. Later to update three values. So you see here Jeffy Jeff, Iron Fist, Spider-Man were updated. So this way we can see that the code is fully functioning. It's running perfect, amazing. And then we have the, well, I did a simple YAML. I apologize this time. I was kind of focused a lot on the programming, and but we have this YAML diagram where the main is half of the main version is using the JDBC, and we have two more classes, engineering student and DB helper. All this was for this week. I hope the program. Well, I really learned this week a lot. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.